Okay, ready?
Yep, we're ready.
It's so good.
They didn't want it to get out.
It can't get out. Nice. I got a little sticker. So here's that heat pack. And then we got all, I think the spider is right in here. There it is. Hi, little baby. Little baby. Oh. Alright, so. Oh, you're moving already. Okay. Into your new home. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
It's a puppy.
You're bigger than I thought you were gonna be. You're so adorable. Hi. Okay, go back in there. Go in there. That's your spot. Yay! Hey, Solaris, welcome home. Eat some water. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at how babyish your fangs are. You're such a baby.
What's up?
You're such a little baby. Such a little baby.